Felix.
Huh?
Justice for Felix.
Justice for Felix. Vlog some more. What you gotta say to the camera?
Oh, my camera, my phone right here.
What you gotta say to the camera?
He vlog too.
What you vlog too? That boy look good. Look at the cut, y'all. Look at the cut. Look at the cut.
This how I go. I'm cutting up heads and I'm bringing them dough. I'm chilling with Uncle, my big nigga Mo. We throwing up fab and that's on the mode. We shooting some dice and we rolling some weed. I'm chasing the bag, gotta go get that green. You fucking with me, man, you fuck with my team. I pull out a 9 SAT, but don't squeeze.
It's that real rap, like.
Alright, first thing you want to do is going with that 1.5 with the grain. Make sure you go nice and slow so you won't nick any calyx or anything. Make sure you knock off all the bulk so when you come in with your guidelines, you'll be able to see what you're doing and how you're doing it.
Hurry, I need some fire, bruh, flick it, I got the Midas touch. Write it like I'm on fire, touch souls, I hope you like it. Blunt road, I lost the lighter, if you got it, put your lighters up. Pussy claiming they won't fight with us. They will never stand a chance against the likes of us. No, very calm, I don't like to fuss. I got a Glock, but never show it.
Alright, with the next step, you want to come in with a broad guideline. Make sure it's a straight line going across the back of his neck. Make sure you knock off all the bulk and bald out everything. Alright, next thing you want to do is you want to come in with your clippers with the lever open and go up about an inch. Make sure you knock off all the hair. Go over it a couple times so all the hair can be at the same exact length.
Rolling up with my vatos, don't touch it because it's nachos. I come from the air when bitches was wearing gachos. Niggas on the corner, Pico and some jabos. I was only 9, still told me that I could go. Way before we 40 was telling them when to go. I was knocking on niggas' doors, you ain't that ain't when in your home. Born in the grimy 90s, need more than a pistol to try me. I shake your hand and knock your head off of your shoulders for lying. Lyrical minded, I be flying around the beat like a moth.
Alright, look, next thing you want to do is you want to come in with the one guard open, go up about an inch, but once you get to the top, make sure you use that flick out motion, so once you come in with the next step, it'll all blend in smoothly.
And I'm a wizard with the pump like I graduated from Hogwarts. School of hard rocks and boosting shit at the Walmart. All about $1, no we didn't get a head start.
Alright, next thing you want to do is you want to come in with the 2 guard open and just flip out.
Reading you like a playbook, you catch a bullet like Randy Moss. AB gon' run it back 22 like I'm Emmitt Smith. I've been grinding 7 on my back, calling Kaepernick. Yeah.
Alright, next thing you do, you come in with the 1.5 and you just want to blend in between the 1 and the 2. Alright, what I'm doing now is I got my walls 1 guard on and I'm just doing a little bit of detail work. Alright, you want to come in with the 0 guard closed in between the 1 and the lever open and just flick out to knock out that little line.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, no ref, little buddy finna catch him in test. Eject from the game, nigga sit on the bench. Fuck world peace, nigga, no Ron Artest. Jay West, when I shoot, really touch from the hip. You a pedophile boy tryna fuck with the kid.
Alright, next thing you want to do is you want to come with your lever open and take out any bulk that the 0 guard didn't.
I be writing raps till my wrist hurt. I just did a verse with like 8 verses of murdering niggas. Fucking put the candles on the curb with it. Serving niggas.
Alright, with the sides, it's basically the same thing I showed you in the back. Make sure you stay consistent and blend everything out so you can have a nice and clean transition.
Perjury fell on my head, I needed surgery. I am a psycho in the 3rd degree. Escaped out of hell just so the church can see. Burned every bridge I made with urgency. I can critique my needs and learn to speak a whole nother language so you nerds can think. I really never wanna be another wannabe. I'm really not the type to follow homies' lead. When I go, it'll be on my own turn. Stand up when it goes down. Stand up when it goes down. Hot like the pot on that stove. I'm dope. Send shots at the throne now. Send shots at the throne now. When I go, it'll be on my own turn. Stand up when it goes down. Stand up when it goes down. Hot like the pot on that stove. I'm dope. Send shots at the throne now. Send shots at the throne now. Ay, it be a cold day in hell before I bow down to any one of you niggas. I got the dirt on you niggas. Got the scoop from the bitch where you be hiding your chicken. And it's crazy because you think it's all good. Thinking that she love you now and care for you. When the shit got real, she wasn't even there for you. Living in fear would have you head hunting. Keeping it full mode, my nigga in fear nothing. Last night I got so high. Had a dream that I seen Pac stroll by. Easy and Nip chilling in that low ride. We swirled in the back, busting freestyles. Pop smoke over flirting it with left eye. Mike Jack moonwalking with no sound. Funk Master Flash and brought the ropes out. Bob Marley in the back rolling dope up. Watching Ray Charles chilling with some gold eyes. Working that job like a good 9 to 5.
Hey, when it comes to doing this back line, you want to make sure you brush all the hairs down in the back. Come over with the one guard close to knock down all the bulk so you have a crisp line.
Keeping it for peace sake, case I gotta rethink your life. Nigga get hit with a switchblade. I never know what's going on already. Had the money coming in, I'm gonna stack it anyway like every day. 30 for the oxy with the M up in the middle, get you high in the satellite, feeling like Gates. Molly at the Coca got a number if you wanna put the order in and serve him, get that nigga out the way. I don't need a corner, I was serving on the scooter. I don't keep shit on me, I was real life moving. Venom embodiment, I am the product of modern environment. They be the fireman, I am the god on the precious stone found in the fire. You know I am him. My self-sufficient, I'm too self-existent, but never self-centered. My greatness is frequently tested. You better respect it, cause this is a genocide to your generation, little nigga. Love. I don't really mind, just a little bit of me time. She fine, I'ma kick a game, you'll fucking see the cleats flying. G5, I'ma run the game to the streets mine. Meantime, it's hanging with his bitch, thinking she mine. I search the game for integrity. Trumpets go blow and he fall like he Jericho. Doctor fucking Doofenshmirtz with the rest of me. Niggas quick to flip up on you reciprocal. Bitches will tell you they love what you fuck, what you want in your heart, but they all in the same. Get stabbed in your back, got a scope in your brain. Get put on the bench, you not in the game. I feel like the realest to walk, bitch. Get hit with Sudoku, you feeling so frugal. I'm leaving the blood on the carpet. My bro got a screw loose, he ready to do you. He leaving you line out of chalk, bitch. We doing them dirty, that's all real. And she took a perky, she jumped shit. If I step up to bat, then I won't miss. And I need a million plays, and I need a million a day. And I need a princess of stage to realize that I'm getting some pay. I feel like the problem child, I'll show you how. Hands in the pockets, dick up in the mouth. For me, bet she running 100 miles. Peter paid the piper, fuck it, AB gon' hunt him down. I be on shit like a horsefly. Pop shots, how your body do the pop lock. Town dry, got my sight out, come to your block with my Glock out. P-Town rep, I'm a reaper with my knife out. Black gloves, J Simpson, save me the speech, I don't need no redemption. The fact that you win this, I'm not really feeling it. I really be the reason that niggas don't wanna spit again. Listen, pimpin', stay consistent. Why you trippin' off them bitches? Get the money, I don't see a motherfucking damn thing. Funny little niggas stop frontin'. When the money start to coming, I'ma get it in abundance. Have a pussy nigga running when the chopper get the bustin'. Thinking he invisible, I promise I'ma touch a lot of money and the women, but a nigga don't trust him. No. Might as well, you feel me? Let me turn my shit back on airplane mode. Yo, bitch calling. Fucking up my session and shit. You feel me? I just be chillin', doing my thing. Fuck what you bang, fuck what you claim. This no freestyle, this no no freestyle. Look, this no freestyle.
Oh yeah, oh boy, this shit bang.
Pack me a wood, I be smoking on good. If this shit get me high, I'ma feel me a swisher. Sipping on Henny and solo drink Grimmy. Got pounds in the kitchen and guns on the dresser. You could be headed for speaking on niggas that run in your mouth like you ain't got no business. Chain on my neck, if you touch it, you finish. I'm punching you, knocking you out your division. I may be the god if you think about running up on me, little nigga. You better think different. Don't know what you going through, pimping. I already told you, stop showing out in front of bitch. Saying you mobbing and gripping the pistols, but really won't bust a grape without your niggas with you. Say my name and I'ma come and get you. I'ma spin the block to make sure I get you. Mo got a chopper that come with compressor. Brain no talking, I don't need a lecture. Stumping you, send your ass out on the stretcher. I take my aim and I make my selection. Fucking your bitch and pick up my collection. She gave me head and I ain't even asked her. Fucked on her face, bust a note on her edges. Seen the next day and I walk right past it. This that shit I like. No feelings, we catch flights. I be rolling paper planes, so I sit back and get high. I roll up a Dutch, I'ma fill it with stuff. Put the cook in my blunt, I be torching it up. Only thing you see me drink is hen in my cup. Put the molly in it, I be doing my dirty on God.
On God, nigga, you already know what the fuck it is. Mo, love. Hey.
We running this shit. Talking that shit and we talking that shit and we running it. Talking that shit and we running it.
Hey, mo fucking love, bitch, I'm selling them drugs. Yo, baby girl want me, I'm filling her up. Dick in her guts, sliding with chops when we hitting them up. My nigga ever fall, I'm picking them up. Swole pockets, hoe stop it, kicking and dozing.
Alright, this is the cut. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is my first time doing something like this. Please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I will be trying to post videos for y'all once a week. Please help me out with this. If you ever need some content, let me know and I'll get it to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hell nah.
Man, you niggas are straight weirdos. We do not fuck with that shit, or conversate with that shit, or condone that shit. You niggas need to stop that bullshit and come fuck with some real niggas. Yeah, B, hell yeah, we slide.
Oh yeah, oh boy.